Once your farms and fields are in traction, you'll have to assign the crop zone. To do this, click on the three dots on the very top row and choose Manage Crop Years. You will need to do this for each year. In my example, I have 2022 in the very top, and I will now select the proper crop for each field. The program will have these three crops as default: corn, beans, wheat. So you can go ahead and select the right crop for each field. If the crop is different, there is a drop-down list, and you can select the specific crop from that drop-down. So maybe for this field I had barley. Again, this is wheat, beans, corn, and perhaps that bottom field we had alfalfa. Once you're all done here, you'll now be able to hit the save button and record this. And what's really important about this step is the fact that you can now enter field records for that current crop year, as well as enter expenses and tag them to the right field.